Welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. My name is Apostle Steve Green, and just want to kick it and talk to y'all today because sometimes as artists, you got to get through a whole lot of failure before you get a success. Sometimes those failures can make you want to quit. If you're not careful, you will quit. But just keep pressing in and pressing on. So what if you're churning out bad drawings? So what if your ideas aren't clicking? You're learning something through that process. I've been doing a bunch of perspective drawings, and none of it seems to be working right now. But I'm learning something. I think as artists, you have to learn how to fail over and over and over again. And even if it's just to persevere, then hey, that's a good thing. Because through those failures, you're learning something. It's teaching you something. And even though you have a bunch of failures before you, those failures will lead up to success. I've been drawing all my life. I've been painting all my life. I've been a creator all of my life. And one thing I know is that in the creative process, there is a bunch of failures. There's a litany of failures. Sometimes you got to fail 1,000 times before you get that one good, solid drawing or piece of music or writing or whatever it is that you do. You have to learn how to go through failure. You have to learn how to embrace failure. And a lot of times, failure can be hard. Failure can make you want to quit. Failure could make you want to give up. It can make you want to turn back, forget it, right? As an artist, I can tell you failure can often be your best friend. And sometimes there's a blessings in the failure. There's a lesson in those failures. If anything, a failure will teach you what not to do. And it's through those failures that something is being deposited in you and something is building up in you. So don't quit. If you got to practice something over and over again and it's not clicking, it's not right, keep going because eventually it is going to get right. Eventually it is going to click for you. What is happening through your failures is that you're building a habit. By doing something over and over and over again, you're learning how to self-correct. Your body is teaching you how to say, hey, you did that wrong. Try it this way. Or, hey, you did this wrong. Try it this way. So your body is always steering you into the right direction to get to that success. So if you have 1,000 failures, that's 1,000 lessons learned. That's 1,000 cues to your body and to your mind and to your spirit, telling you that, hey, this is not the way to do it. Try it this way. I think a lot of times as artists, we take our failures personally. And what I'm here to tell you is that, yeah, it can hurt. It can be painful. It can be discouraging, but there is a lesson in those failures. Don't stop drawing, painting, writing, composing, whatever it is that you do. If you're a creator, just know that you're going to run into failure. You're going to run into failure in your creative practice. And that's the whole point of your practice to fail so that you can get it right. And when you get it right, you're going to know it and it's going to click for you. And you're going to have that aha moment. And you're going to learn something from it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Don't stop, y'all. Don't stop.